Okay guys, today I'm gonna replace my wife's Nissan Pathfinder 2014 uh, inside door handle. See how it's busted. So I'm gonna show you step by step. First things first, you have to take out the cover because you have to take out the 3 screws in here. So it will come off the door cover. First things first, you just have to get like a little screwdriver like this and then take it out. And this one too. Okay. Take this one. This is the cover. There's 3 screws over there, and then there's also, you can also take this one out here, but you don't have to. Okay. There's no screws in it. So you can use a screwdriver or Phillips or 10mm. Like, so first things first, you have to unscrew this one, loosen this thing up. See how it's busted, right? So okay, 1 down, 2 to go. Take this one out. Okay, 1 to go. There it is. Okay, so now I just gotta take this one out. Get like I said, a little screwdriver. So be careful not to dent it. There it is. Okay, and you just take out your electric wiring. You gotta press this sucker right here. Press this thing, just a little things in metal. You can press it. There you go. And then take this one. See the screwdriver again. It's a little pain in the butt. It's almost there. Oh man. There it is. Cool. So now, let's see. You just gotta take out this cover. You can start from the bottom or you can stop over some of it. Okay. Now let's get it. There it is. Okay, let me just sit this chair and grab it. And as you can see, this is what I'm gonna try to replace. So there's 3 screws right here that's holding this. First I'm going to screwdrivers and then screws. And then there's a couple of things over in the middle. You just gotta door aside. Put it aside. Okay. So let's see what's broken. Okay. So there's a piece of metal. That thing is broken, right? This is the one that's broken. See. First, I'm gonna pull this thing up. There it is. See, here's the piece of metal that was broken inside. Okay, and then just pop this thing up, and then you just there it is. Okay, here's the old broken one. I'm gonna put it down, and then here comes the new one. I got this from eBay. It's about $12, so it's kind of cheap, but it's good. The price. There you go. So what I need to do is just put it back to. Okay, first, you just see there's a little hole in there. You just gotta put the end tip right there. Okay, and then you just have to press this thing down like that. And then do the other one where the ball. There's a ball in there. So what you need to do is just put it like this. And then again, once again, you press this thing down, make sure it's locked. Okay, it's locked already. Oh, it looks good already. Okay, now you're just gonna put it back. Okay, so just have to put it back. Put it back. Oops. Be careful not to break it. There you go. Let's put this screws back. Let's see, 2 screws. Okay. Excuse me. Oh man, this stuff's been bugging me. Okay. Now let me see. Let me try. Okay. It's looking good. Lock. Let's see. Okay, it works. So you just gotta put it back. Put it back. Make sure this one will hang to the one. Okay. Just make sure everything. Oh, wait. Forget about that. Let's forget about this. Okay. Let's put this back. good. Let's see. I just gotta put this back. Do this now. Make sure they're all locked. Wait. I gotta put this first. There it is. Because I thought there it is. All right. Let's put everything back. And then just put the 3 screws. Let me see. This one goes over here. Just put this back. Make sure it's tight, guys. And then last 2 screws. Let's see. I'll make sure I don't want to strip this. Okay. And then last one is here. All right, let's put the cover. This cover right here. There it is. Put this cover back. Make sure it's locked because you don't want to lose it. There it is, it's locked. And then, last one. Okay. Now let's see if it works. Let's see. Now close this door. Make sure it's not locked. It's working. Let me try inside. There it is. Alright guys, I hope that thing helps the video. It takes about like half hour to 45 minutes, 45 minutes. It depends. Okay. Later.